welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be me testing out this video I've seen on YouTube where these lovely ladies have done their nails with everything from the dollar store. So I'm gonna be testing it out. I'm gonna be going to the dollar store, getting all my supplies and seeing if this really works, because I've never done my acrylic nails on myself. I've done like press-on nails and of course like regular nail polish, but I've never done acrylic nails. So this is gonna be like a real test for beginners. I'm also going to link the videos that I've seen down below just to give people, you know, their credit, because I did not come up with this idea, but I just want to test it out and see if it actually works. So I'm not going to talk too much. I know you guys want to see the video, so don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Let's just get right into the video. Alright, you guys, I went to the dollar store, actually the Dollar Tree, where everything is $1, and I'm going to show you what I got from there. First thing I got was this nail buffer. It has 4 sides on it that does 4 different things to your nails. Then I got 3 different nail polish colors. You don't have to get this if you already have nail polishes, but somehow I always end up getting things that I don't need, and at least it's a variety for my nail polish collection. Next, I got this baking soda, which is going to act as the powder for the acrylic. I was surprised that the dollar store actually had these nail art pieces. They're like little jewels that you can put on your nails for designs, so check that out. I got these little trays right here, which are just the perfect size to dip your nails into the baking soda. Okay, you guys, I kind of cheated because the dollar store did not have any nail tips, so I had to go right next door to the beauty supply store, but these were only $1.50. So they're still kind of, you know, $1, kind of, but I'm just going to show you my receipt so that way you guys can see proof that they were actually $1.50 each. So some things I already had and I wasn't going to repurchase, like this glue. These are 2 different types of glue. One has the little pointed nozzle where you just squeeze out. The other one is a brush-on glue. I highly recommend that you get both of these. Then I also had just like my basic nail care items, such as nail clippers, cuticle, pointy stick thing, and you know, your filer. You're gonna need all of these basically to achieve this look. I recommend if you have like an electric nail filer, those would be much better in this situation, or anything with acrylic really. So first things first, I just wanted to go ahead and take the nail buffer out and just prep my nails, making sure that they're filed down and nice and smooth. Then I'm going to take my Kiss nail tips and I'm just going to match them up with my real nails to, you know, see which size I need. And a tip that I mentioned in the other video where I told you guys how to make your press-on nails last longer is that there is a number under each nail, so that way you are, once you find one that matches, you can just look for the number. For example, if it's a number 3 on your thumb, you're going to look for the other number 3 and just place that aside for your other hand, so that way you're not trying to eyeball if a nail matches another nail, if that makes sense. Alright, now that you have all your nails to the side, we're going to go ahead and start gluing them on. Alright, now that they're all on, we're going to start dipping it into the baking soda. Go ahead and get one of your small little clear dishes and pour the baking soda into the dish. Alright you guys, so unfortunately my nail brush glue broke, the nail glue that actually had a brush, so I had to use the squeezable glue, and I just put a layer over top of my real nail and the fake tip nail, and I'm just going to make an even layer and then dip it into the baking soda. The lady that I watched the video on did not do it this way. She did it in layers with the glue brush. But like I said, it broke and I just wanted to finish the video, so this technique works as well. Here's how it looks once all the baking soda has dried and the glue has dried. I'm just going to take my nail clipper and kind of clean up the edges. You can just literally chop it off with the nail clipper. Alright you guys, so the next step is actually filing the acrylic in, quotations. This really is baking soda, but we're filing it down, and this is going to be the most time consuming process. That's why I said an electric nail filer would probably be so much faster. So if I ever try this again with real acrylic, I will definitely be using that. Or even if I try this technique again, I will definitely be using a electric nail filer. It would be so much faster. Alright, the fun part is adding the nail polish on. So I decided to be a little bit ratchet, and well, I'm not going to say ratchet, but a little bit, risky, and put this blue on just because I thought this blue was so pretty. So I'm just going to put this on, and I think I do about 2 layers of this blue. Alright, so now that coat number 2 has dried, I want to add in these cute little gems onto my nails. So how you do that is first you put a clear coat of nail polish on. I believe this is just like the top coat, and you put it on, but don't let it completely dry. While the clear coat is still wet, you want to pick up the gem with the flat side facing downwards and the gem side facing upwards. It can be kind of tricky, but you want to pick it up with your tweezers like that, and then you want to place it onto your nail and just create the design that you desire. Once you have the gems on there in the pattern that you want, I just did mine on the top of my cuticle. Once it's on there how you want it, you want to take another clear coat, and that's going to lock it in. Once you brush that over and it dries, it's going to keep the gems from moving around. So I'm just going to keep adding the gems around my nails and create just a design that I want. And then I'm just going to speed through this because it's going to be kind of boring, but just be creative and have fun with it. Alright you guys, here's the final look. I just decided to add gems around the cuticle of each nail, and then in my middle nail I just did a blue gems down the middle, and I really think that they're cute. I'm gonna be honest, I am kind of a perfectionist, so these nails are not as smooth as I wanted them to be because I couldn't get the baking soda to, you know, smooth down as much as I wanted. Maybe if I had an electric nail filer, it might have been a little bit better. But this technique does work. If you have the proper tools and you have the patience, it can work for you. So yeah, this is, you know, the final look. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I can say it wasn't a complete fail. It does work, but I would not recommend this process for a beginner just starting out with acrylic nails. And I think that I needed more tools, better and quality tools to get the nails smooth and everything. But it was fun and I enjoyed. It was a fun thing to do, a fun little DIY thing, and seeing if it actually works. So I enjoyed myself and I don't regret it. But it can work. I think you need better tools and more patience. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up button. Also, leave me a comment down below, and last but not least, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button so that way you'll be notified every time that I post a video. Just a reminder, I post videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays, so make sure you look out for them and keep watching. So thank you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.